Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change graphic settings in Genshin Impact. So guys, to change your graphic settings on Genshin Impact, you just need to go to the top left corner over here that has the Paimon. And once you go there, just go and tap on settings right here. And once you're there, you can see many options like controls, key bindings, graphics, and that's where we need to go, right on graphic. And as you can see, I have my graphics quality on low. You can choose anything that you prefer. You can choose medium, high, highest, and there are also other graphic settings that you can change. It has render resolution, shadow quality, visual effects, motion blur, crowd density, compatibility mode, and many more. There's also this environmental detail. This is also very important, and there you go. You have also this brightness setting. You can choose this to be lighter, or you can choose this to be darker like this. It's totally your choice. I prefer darker, so I'm going to choose darker. And guys, there you go. That's how you change your graphic settings on your game Genshin Impact. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.